Python continues to be one of the fastest-growing programming languages in the market today. Because of its ease of use and numerous supporting frameworks, it's widely used in web development, writing scripts, automating tasks, and even cybersecurity. In particular, Python has become the central tool for data science as more companies focus on utilizing data to build machine learning algorithms and integrate artificial intelligence. Do you want to speed up time to project development and peel away from the competition by delivering better products and faster services? SkillSoft Aspire learning journeys are designed to move people forward within their organizations. These intentionally designed courses start by providing novice software programmers who may already be developing basic applications in another language with foundational knowledge on Python's key libraries and frameworks, so they can take on basic tasks and projects using Python. From there, a Python novice may move into the Python apprentice role that focuses more on web programming and using Python to develop front-end projects. Next up is the Python journeyman, who employs Python for all tasks and projects and stitches the front end and back end of an application together. Eventually, if they aspire to, they can become a Pythonista, who brings together all the insights and knowledge acquired throughout their journey by focusing on wrangling data, network programming, and developing continuous testing strategies. Let's take a look at what your Python novice to Pythonista journey will entail. The Python novice track is the first step in the journey towards becoming a Pythonista. Novice programmers often have a good understanding of working with languages, such as Java or JavaScript, but need to gain hands-on experience in Python programming to automated tasks, or perhaps work in the field of data science or cybersecurity. Without these core skills, they won't be able to create code that is able to gather, analyze, and visualize data or engage in the ever-growing field of machine learning. Your journey will begin with the key concepts of getting started with Python, including using linked lists and arrays, constructs, language basics, and programming style. It also covers Python frameworks and the Python library, object-oriented concepts and exploration, as well as error handling and testing. Python apprentices are typically focused on web programming and developing projects with Python. Track 2 of your journey focuses on working with complex data types, lists and strings, and classes and inheritance. Data structures and algorithms in Python are also covered to lay the groundwork for moving on to the next track. The third step in becoming a Pythonista is the Python journeyman role, which examines working with HTTP requests, building web apps, design patterns, and multi-threading and concurrency. The training in this track progresses towards the final role of the Pythonista by using the Python requests package to request and submit data. Learners will also delve into the use of threads and processes to execute tasks concurrently in Python and discover the available options for synchronizing concurrent tasks. The fourth and last step to becoming a Pythonista will bring together the learnings from all of the tracks. At this stage, you will take your understanding of Python programming and deepen it by focusing on unit testing, developing and debugging using the PyCharm IDE, wrangling Excel data, network programming, working with hashing and encryption, and algorithms. So where will your journey take you? All of our Aspire journeys for technology and developer are created based on a proven approach to learning design, which takes advantage of multimodal learning tools. From videos to books, learners have access to a multitude of resources that will orient them to key work functions and daily challenges. Learners can also apply concepts and manipulate Python code with hands-on practice labs done virtually using real equipment and applications, so that each learner can practice and develop their skills without compromising their own company systems. At the end of each track within a journey, users must demonstrate their newfound knowledge by passing a rigorous final exam. Once a journey is fully completed, learners can continue their growth and move on to another area of study. Pythonistas can move on to data scientist, machine learning architect, or AI developer journeys at their own pace. enabling employees to continually learn, evolve, and develop their skills.